do a quick demonstration on how to perform a block test. Borrow one of these from local auto parts store. You'll have to buy the solution. That's the best solution. First thing you do is you need to bring the level down so you don't contaminate the test. Alright, now that that's down to the level, what you're going to do is you're going to take this blue solution pour it to this little line right here. It's blue. We're going to start this engine, and after it gets warm, what's going to happen is we're going to put this on there and suck this bulb, and if it changes colors, then it says you got a blown head gasket. So we're going to start the engine and warm it up and then do the test. Now that the engine's warm and everything is circulating, the neck or the expansion tank, circulating. This one is showing that it does not have a blown head gasket because this would turn to yellow. So this doesn't have a blown head gasket. And that's pretty much how to do a block test. And this is what it looks like when you have a blown head gasket.